with 10 minutes to the 50 minutes. And if you're not understanding, I'm gonna explain. Because if you are using the regular oven, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. It is 60 minutes on this timer here. While preheating before we started, it was at 10 minutes out. So therefore it would have been 50 minutes left for baking. Now we are at 10 minutes to the starting point. Therefore, it was in there for 40 minutes. Do the little maths. Now, back to the pudding something here. Mama, get right in camera, girl. I want you to see what I'm talking about when I say set. Pudding set. Yeah. So right now, this is the little wetty something. The sugar has been dissolved. So we're going to spoon it right on. Don't let it get around the edges, you know, because you know this is a lot of sugar there. So it will get around there and start burning, and we don't want that. So we want to get this little wetty something right. You know, it's gonna make a little thing, but we want to get it. We don't want to get it around the edges. It's gonna cause a problem. It's gonna start burning. We don't want to get it seeping down around here. So we're going to put it, and remember it's in a bundt tin, so it's not all that. So look at what I'm gonna do. Let me get my fan off, and you got to be really careful right here. And as I said to you, I put it in the bundt tin because it bakes faster. So what we're going to be real careful. Don't let it get to the edges, y'all. We're gonna let it get right on there. We're not gonna put any more right now. We're gonna put it back inside there. So we have it. As soon as this starts to baking and it gets set, it gets hard, it's gonna become a little soft top thing. That's how we acquire the soft top. Okay? Right? But remember, you know, this is a low-key pudding. Low-key. You understand? Nothing of that warm. We have to deal with that thing low-key. Okay, y'all? So we're putting it back in there. And when you see us next, we will start probably to put the rest of this, or not hard, but I stopped to show you this. So the rest that we're gonna put in, you won't see. As soon as that's set, we'll put a little more. So when you see us next, the pudding will be ready. The pudding is supposed to be firm. This thing here, it's supposed to become baked and become soft and gummy. It's gonna be soft on top there. Okay, y'all?